Hello stalkers, welcome back. As you can see in the markets, bullish stocks are performing very well, whereas if you are stuck in negative stocks, it will keep giving you more pain. Let's start analyzing DFM market index first, that is Dubai Financial Market. Another positive day on the daily chart. This is looking very interesting. Next area of hurdle is at 5,296 points. Hopefully market will continue going up. By the way, tomorrow is last trading of the session. It's weekend, that is Friday. Most likely we may see profit booking in both the markets. In both the scenarios, it is still good. As we can see, today market has printed a positive candle. I'm expecting a continuation. It can go up, get rejected, and come back to retest 5,190 that we have identified as our immediate support zone. If this fails, then we have minor support area around 5,160 to 5,165. In last scenario, if at all market wants to come down to retest, then we have 5,115 points. Overall, DFM market is extremely positive. We are seeing positive closing almost every day. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. It's really confusing us. Check this out. For the last 3 days, it's been printing negative candles. Although during the day it's trying to go up, but then later it fizzles down and closes negative, or at least we are seeing a negative closing. Today also market went up till about 9,517 points, could not survive, and from here we saw a drop till about 9,460 points. So clearly this is indication of weakness. We never know, market can come back again in this wedge pattern that we are seeing. It's been trading since October onwards. Hopefully that does not happen. I want to see market surprising us with a big move, maybe even crossing 9,563. As I had mentioned, on the negative scenario, if at all it comes back into this triangle pattern, then we have two support areas, that is 9,434 points and then 9,352. Not to forget, this trend line is acting as a solid support zone. We have tested multiple times, and whenever it comes down to revisit this trend line, we are seeing good bounces. Buyers are holding up. So if at all it comes down again, I would not be surprised. It can again take a bounce and then potentially a breakout will happen. Overall, ADX market is still slow. It has to catch up with DFM. This is the daily chart of Julphar. What a fantastic trade today. I made money. I hope you did as well. We have been stalking this stock right from this support area I have been mentioning in public and to my YouTube members as well. This is an opportunity to buy, that is around 1.20. We have been buying from this zone. Our first target was 1.39 that got hit with this green candle. And from here, when correction started, this was also buying opportunity I have been mentioning. You may accumulate into this zone. There are chances it can even come down till about 1.25, but this should also be considered as buying opportunity because we have already seen first strong leg to the upside. Now it's going through a correction phase. Check this out. After this move, let me delete. After this move, it's been going down slowly and steadily. We are not seeing a deeper correction. This clearly indicates there are buyers in the market. They are holding the price, and sooner or later we will expect a move. This is exactly what I was anticipating. Perfect move, perfect trade. I hope you guys book the profit in case if you have entered at the bottom or even into this region. By the way, today it broke very important resistance, that is 1.39. Check this out. Previously when it was trying for a breakout, we saw a rejection. Today we saw minor hurdle when it was trying for a breakout. If I go down to 15 minutes chart, we can clearly see when it was trying to attempt, it got minor rejection and then boom, it broke this resistance with a solid green candle. So this is a good indication. Those who have missed it, not to worry. Now you can still take your positions, but with smaller quantities. Reason is, even if you enter at the top now, you will have to place your stop loss below the low of this candle around 1.26. Your risk to reward ratio will not match even if it climbs up. Check this out. This is your gain and this is your risk that you are willing to take. So this is not a good trading setup. You should avoid it with big quantities. That's the reason it's always advisable when a stock is at the support, immediately take your positions, and on the way up you can start building up and offload your quantities at first resistance. When it comes back down for a retest, this is the place where you have to start accumulating, meaning keep buying in small quantities and wait for a big move. That's the reason people say patience pays, and indeed it really pays off. I have been holding my quantities right from this zone. We can see a solid momentum to the upside. I was still patient. I offloaded some of my quantities here, and now look at this move. This is very good. There are still chances of continuation to the upside. I'm expecting a move till about this area very soon, that is 1.63 and then 1.74. Tomorrow, if it opens flat or with a gap up, we might see some resistance around 1.50. During the day, it might go sideways. And then when we see a breakout, be ready, it can hit the resistance. Maybe it can even do a limit up tomorrow. In any scenarios, Julphar is now bullish. It's very positive. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. And if you want to grab opportunities like this in the markets, then scan the QR code and join my YouTube membership. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.